Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Perfect Heroine Wants to Possess Me, Chapter 114, Part 2. So here it is. Let's read the story. Right now, back to Jishao and Wei Xingyu. Of course, those passers-by who set off my alpha charm. Oh, it turns out she knows how to coax Wei Xingyu at this moment. Wei Xingyu, she looks really awkward. So, is there anyone you like? Now, she was asking Jishao. And also, she was blushing. Probably she really don't want to admit. But of course, for Jishao, Jishao said to her, yes, definitely, she really likes someone. Wei Xingyu, she is really curious and said, who is it? Well, of course, Jishao, grab her hands and hold it tightly. Who else? Of course, it's only you. Well, Jishao, she was really sweet girl, right? On this moment, she moved closer to her. She was holding Wei Xingyu's hand. Wei Xingyu, she was still blushing. Well, maybe Jishao, she became vocal to her, especially today, after knowing that she is not original Jishao, but Jishao from the another world. Now, he says that your glands are destined to be dwarf. It is also written in a book. Well, and you are locked in a small dark room. So, can the content of the book can be changed? It can be all the ending to be the same as in the book. Oh, Wei Xingyu, she is really smart. Maybe she know how this works. Now, she was assuming that the end of the book can be changed. Wei Xingyu said to her, according to the descriptions in the book. Well, Jishao, suddenly, she got fuss. Wei Xingyu is asking her, did you finally survive? Well, can she really tell her? Maybe Wei Xingyu, she got really disappointed, knowing that what will happen to Jishao in the future. Instead, Jishao, she was lying to her, said to her, well, of course. Now, it really makes sense. She don't want Wei Xingyu to get worried about her so much. This lady is 100 years old in the book. Oh, it's another lie. Of course, it was a good lie. She can able to tell her because it was really painful, hurtful. Wei Xingyu knows what will happen to her in the future. Then, don't push me away. Let's go to the final together, okay? Wei Xingyu said to Jishao. Jishao, she moved closer to her and whispered on her ears. Said to her it was good. Well, at least for now, they really have a plan. But maybe it was really painful. Jishao said to herself, sorry Wei Xingyu, I lied. The ending in the original text is not 100 years of life. Well, of course, she really knows what will happen to her. But right now, since Wei Xingyu is already calm, she was hugging her tightly and comforting her. Well, it is also painful, like Wansi. And now, it really makes sense. On this day, it's like Wei Xingyu. She really falls in the deep. There's a lot of predators around her, lurking around and easily get afraid. Well, Wei Xingyu, she was working in the darkness. In the deep ocean, she is alone. There's no one there except for her. Well, on that time, only the bones and ashes. There's no good ending. Well, definitely she was pertaining to Jishao on what will happen to her. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.